Hey, I'm going to give a quick walkthrough of how to set up this GitHub Action Notify Slack on release. So what this does is every time you have a new release, it'll send a message to a Slack channel. And the cool thing about this is that we support rich text. So if you have headers or images or bullet points in your release notes, that'll be included in the message. What you want to do is go down to usage, and first thing we're going to do is create a new Slack app. So this will be just for internal use for your workspace. Cool. So you can create it from scratch. And let's call it Release Bot. And click Create App. Cool. So next you want to enable incoming webhooks. This will let you set up your Slack channel. All right, so let's toggle that and let's add a new webhook. Okay, so we'll go to the releases channel. Oh. Test releases, there we go. And then click allow. Okay, cool. So at this point we have our webhook URL. Let's go ahead and copy that. And the next thing you want to do is create a secret in your GitHub org. So this is the page you want to get to. You can go to your org, then go to settings. Go down to secrets and then actions. Cool. So we already created this, so I'm going to reuse this, but you'll want to create a new secret and copy and paste in that webhook URL. So let's look at how we go about setting up our GitHub action. So if you go to your repo, all of the GitHub actions live in this path, so .github/workflows, and you want to create a YAML file. So it's going to look something like this, which you can copy and paste from our README. So this says every time a release is created, you can make this released or published. Let's go ahead and trigger the action with our webhook URL. Okay, so let's create a new release and see how this works. So you want to go to releases, draft a new release. Let's call this version 4, and we'll create a new tag. All right, so let's go ahead and publish this release. And you can actually see the GitHub action working if you go to the Actions tab. So version 4 is running right now, or it's queued. Then it just ran. So that should work, and awesome. You can see in our channel test releases, you have the link to the release, the title of it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.